Well, that cam does sound good in this thing.
Oh yeah, it bumps.
Neat.
Let me take it for a spin.
Well, they're looking at it. They must be pretty interested in this vehicle. They're trying to look at numbers on it. He said he wants 187 on it. We'll see. 188 rather, because the highest sold Nomad was 187. He wants to get 188. But I think this car is going to go up to 200, 250. I'm hoping. So. Pretty cool father and daughter build. It's neat to see a daughter get involved with a project like this. She's been around the car since day one. She'll go far in this car world, no doubt.